If you need to get started quickly, training represents a good return on investment. Training courses for Industrial HiVision are available globally, either as standalone courses or as part of an Industrial Ethernet theory and product training curriculum. Industrial HiVision has a shallow learning curve. You will be amazed at how quickly you can start to get meaningful information about your network. A tutorial is included in the installation package. Industrial HiVision has a loyal customer base and many users have published how-to videos on the internet. These are also a great source of knowledge. Our sales partners offer hands-on training courses for Industrial HiVision. In this case, your instructor will be a person with in-depth expertise and many years of real-world experience using Industrial HiVision for managing and fault-finding networks. If you need to prove your expertise, Hirschman offers certification exams on network management theory and Industrial HiVision software. Whatever your time and budget constraints, there's a training opportunity to meet your requirements.